So guys, this is the Lego VIP set. When you buy a set over $125. So yes, this is 205 pieces, set number 40178. And I'm going to unbox it. Here we go. Unbagging. Ugh. Unbagging. Okay, still unbagging. There's some stickers here. Okay, so let's get to the time-lapse build of this, and I will do a short review. Okay. Okay, guys. We have it finished now, and yes, there's the manual. Here we have the actual set itself, VIP card, completely made out of Legos, and a little minifigure made out of red Lego bricks, and a lot of extra pieces. We got some sets in there too. And please leave a like and stay tuned for future videos with more Lego sets. Can't wait to see you guys later. Thank you for watching.